kong tinitig na gamot. You know, so... And kasama ko. Times a day for 5 days, nebulize something. Good morning, guys. Today is November 10. It's currently 12:44 p.m. And as you guys can tell, may sakit ako right now. Hindi ko nga actually sure kung nakuha ko to sa Singapore or after ng Singapore. Kasi wala naman akong lagnat and all. Sumakit lang yung ulo ko pagka uwi ko ng Singapore. I think dahil din sa pagod and also super init sa Singapore. So like, pinapawisan ako parate, tapos pupunta kami ng mall, ganon. So, feeling ko yun yung reason. Pero wala naman akong lagnat. Thank you, Lord. So, ayun, ang dami ko tuloy iniinom na gamot kasi as much as possible, ayoko magkasakit. Kasi ang hirap magkasakit in general. I mean, since galing ako Singapore, ang dami kong kailangang habulin na work and also school stuff. Kasi hindi naman syempre titigil ang oras para sa atin. So, ayun, parang wala akong time magkasakit. Yun lang yung nasa isip ko right now. So, ang dami kong tinitig na gamot. Well, hindi naman to lahat actually. Yung iba dito, mga once a day lang, ganyan. Thank you so much kila mommy and daddy kasi sila yung bumili ng mga gamot for me. Anyway, speaking of work, aalis tayo today. Kailangan ko maghabol sa mga 11-11 deadlines ko. Since ba't ba October? November 10 na, guys. Also, the reason why I have coffee right now, kasi kailangan ko nga mag-work today, kailangan ko magising. Hindi ko nga alam kung pwede ito sa akin kasi masakit yung lalamunan ko. Wala, kailangan ko talaga magising today. Ang dami kong trabaho. Well, thankful naman ako, pero ayan, medyo nakakapagod lang. Actually, nga nung nagkasakit ako, parang yun yung reminder para sa akin. Like, yung mismong katawan ko na yung nagsabi na magpahinga naman ako. Anyway, magulit ako right now, but I just know we're gonna get things done today. Mag-film tayo for brands. Hopefully, maging productive tong araw na to. Let's manifest it. Anyway, ayusin ko na yung gamit ko. I'll see you guys later. Okay, so I'm done with my shoot. Forgot to vlog na kasi parang gusto ko na rin mag-focus muna doon since nga ang dami ko na iniisip. So, nakalimutan ko na mag-vlog. Pero to compensate, gagawa na lang ako ng quick Singapore haul. Sobrang konti na nabili ko kasi nga I was really planning on buying sneakers. Pero wala akong halos nagustuhan na design or parang same lang din yung price dito sa Philippines. So, parang bibili man ako doon. Feeling ko parang napilitan na lang ako bumili. Kasi halos sila ate and sila Jo, bumili sila lahat ng shoes. And like, ako na ate hindi bumili. Kasi even sila Casey, bumili din sila ng sneakers nila. Anyway, I got myself 2 items from Sephora. Kasi I've been wanting to get yung Charlotte Tilbury na setting spray. Worth it talaga siya in my opinion. Nagiging matte finish yung makeup ko. As much as I love having that glowy makeup look, mahirap talaga siya i-achieve sa weather natin. Super, super love this. So far, I've been loving it. And I also got myself etong NARS concealer. This is their pot concealer. Ayun. Next, I got something from Batcha Coffee. And we got this when we were at Capita Spring. I'm not sure if yun yung name. Or kung nanood ka ng vlog ko, ayun. Ginawa ko talaga parang informative yung Singapore vlog ko. Para helpful din siya if ever na, kunwari, naghahanap kayo ng itinerary nyo for Singapore, ganun. Nakalagay na doon yung mga details, like how much din yung mga prices and all. Ayun, segue sa Singapore vlog ko. Make sure to watch it. Pero, I got myself a Batcha Coffee kasi this is something na I always see whenever I'm watching Singapore vlogs or Singapore hauls. I ask what was their best-selling beans there or coffee. And they said na ito raw, yung India. Ayan. So, let's see. This includes 12 coffee bags na. So, feeling ko worth it naman siya. So, it comes with 12 pieces. This is like instructions on how to use it. If you guys know drip coffee, parang ganun lang din siya. Arabica is like so famous sa Singapore. Can't wait na matikman na to. So, we got a lot of stuff dun sa parang Mustafa Center sa Little India. And yun talaga yung parang perfect place if maghahanap kayo ng pasalubong nyo for your friends and family, ganun. Kasi super mura ng chocolates doon and may mga nakaset sila. Hindi lang ako nakapag-vlog doon kasi nga when we went there, super late na. So, I'm so sorry na hindi ko na-vlog. Eto, dinala ko to. This one is the matcha. Hindi ko to alam paano i-pronounce. Basta, eto itsura niya, guys. Ayan. Nahanap ko rin doon yung binili ko sa SNR na yung mga matcha, instant matcha. Parang ganito din yun. And sabi ko, since na-try ko naman na yun, I'll try a new one para ma-compare ko yung lasa nila. I know na hindi siya similar sa parang traditional matcha kasi like hindi mo talaga siya matitimpla na maayos, ganun, since instant matcha nga siya. Pero as someone na kailangan talaga ng matcha every single morning, and there are times na wala din akong time para so instant matcha is the way to go. And then lastly, I got stuff from Muji. Ayun, last day na namin and kinabukasan pala may quiz ako. So, kinailangan ko bumili ng mga ball pens, ganon. So, first, I got itong gift set. Kinuha ko to kasi this is just 10 SGD. And I got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 notebooks. I got a pencil case na from Muji and 4 ballpoint pens. And nakita ko to sa may counter. So, sabi ko, sige, kukunin ko na rin to. Yung kanilang gel pen na cap type. Ito yung pwede refillan. You guys know how much I love Muji pens. They are the only pens that I use for school and just in general, I really love Muji. Ito, hindi ko to nabili sa Singapore, pero I got myself a new mic. Kasi nasira yung mic ko, guys. No, I think 3rd day namin nun. Nagulat na lang ako yung mga clips ko, wala ng audio. So, yun pala nasira yung parang wire, something ng mic ko. And ang ginagamit ko na siya right now. So, let me know kung may pagbabago pa sa audio or what. I'm now at the leg. Kasi may class pala kanina, so kailangan ko umalis na. Okay, so I'm on my way to my first class, 11 a.m. I'm done with my first class for today. And grabe guys, hindi ko in-expect kasi nagkaroon kami ng surprise quiz. It's a research subject, so hindi talaga namin in-expect na magkakaroon ng quiz kanina. Pero I'm happy na, satisfied na ako sa score ko doon. As in, walang review and all, pero I'm just glad na it's over. I'm gonna have my lunch really quick lang kasi I still need to finish yung worksheets na tinatapos ko kanina. Hindi ko pa rin siya tapos. As per usual, I got happy and healthy for today's lunch. Na-miss ko to. Almost 2 weeks na rin ako yung nakakain ng ganito. Love it. Singapore naman today. Ay, Nicole, edit mo yun. before our first class. And magkasama. So, and one gingerbread latte, iced. This is my drink. I got the, what's this again? Gingerbread latte. And then ate got matcha. So, thank you. Currently 2:14 p.m. First class of the day. Hi everyone, good morning. It's currently 10:23 a.m. and I was watching one of our lecture videos, accounting, because I have a quiz tomorrow. And wala pa nga akong review, as in no review at all, since we've been traveling for the past 5 days, I think. I brought my iPad with me naman, so ito na lang ako magbabasa. And I remembered lang kasi I was reading some of your comments, guys. I mean, I always read your comments, guys. And many of you say that I'm highly productive, ganon. Siguro one tip na I could give if you're someone who's also juggling a lot of work stuff, school stuff. For me personally, I don't do multiple tasks at the same time. I always try to complete one task at a time. Because if you think about it, guys, it's better to get things done one by one than leaving many things half done. So yeah, that's the technique that I learned from Skillshare. It's the productive and time management class. It's a curated class by Skillshare. Speaking of Skillshare, I would like to thank Skillshare again for sponsoring this portion of the video. So I've been an avid user of Skillshare because it truly is a learning platform for everyone. You can study at your own pace and explore classes on productivity, photography, business, and many more. And also, guys, you can collect certificates every time you finish a class, and for me, super fun nun. So if you want to start your learning journey or advance your career, you can click the link below because the first 500 people to use the link will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. So thank you again, Skillshare, for sponsoring this portion of the video.
Can you do something for me? You ain't ready to pull the trigger. Don't clutch it. I know you.
I'm getting ready right now, pero gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo itong bago kong favorite na mascara. This is not sponsored, or brow mascara. Kasi if you guys noticed, I changed my hair color. So, brown na siya ngayon. And yung eyebrows ko kasi super black siya. So, if you guys have brown hair then, or light hair, tas black yung eyebrows nyo, super recommend this. This is from Mercy. Again, not sponsored or what. Super, super nice. Kasi as you guys can see, naging brown na yung itong brow ko na to. So, lagyan ko yung kabila para brown na din siya. Super black kasi guys ng eyebrows ko. So, kailangan ko talaga magganto. So far, I really like Mercy talaga. Yung mga products nila. They're a Korean cosmetic brand. That's why I really, really love the formula, ganon. Ayan, brown na yung eyebrows ko. Match na siya sa hair color ko. So yeah, I'm just finishing my makeup. Okay, so this is the final makeup look. Ayan. Again, I will leave the links below ng mga products na ginamit ko. We're here sa Art Science Museum. We bought our tickets via Klook again, of course. So all we had to do was scan this QR code. And yun na, diretso na kami after. Yan na siya. We don't need to buy tickets na. So we bought 8 tickets for this. You really believe me?
Ano yan?
Ganda!
Nicole?
Ayan yun! Hey! Goodbye, Nicole! Okay, so it's almost 4 p.m. We're done na sa Art Science Museum. Parang siya yung sa Japan daw. So, ayun, if you guys haven't been to Japan and nasa Singapore kayo, you guys could go there. I have this oil clear sheet. And then I also have this tint from Bare and Bliss. Ayan. This is in the shade 06. Okay, let's go!
I-enjoy. Kasi, hindi lang yun.
Thank you!
Ticket ata.
Parang gumot siya.
Fine for you?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you! Got the goods, guys. Let's go!
2, 3, 4, 5.
I don't care about it all. 어제까지도 우리는 같이 있었고 이제는 네가 떠나도 I don't care about it all. 어젯밤과 함께 떠난 게 넌 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아. 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아 보이는 거 알잖아.